For law school applications, how does it work with retaking the LSAT? I tested it in November, so that would be a month ago, but my retest is in January. Should I wait until after I test in January for my applications?
Yeah, I wouldn't submit until you retake because you don't want them to accidentally consider your application without the January results. You don't want them to potentially reject you before you get your January result back. You did well on January, then you got to wait a cycle for a reevaluation. Just hold off, hit submit after the score comes out.
Yeah. And something I would say that's sort of related to this is be in contact with the admissions teams from the different law schools that you're applying to. I cannot stress enough how incredibly helpful that was for me, not only submitting my applications, but also receiving the scholarship I did, and just getting information about whether I would even like the school just based on my communication with them. So that goes for questions like this. If you think that a school might have a different policy, or if they say something on their application like, just submit your retakes later or whatever it may be. Admissions teams, literally their job is to be there to help you with those kinds of questions. And if you submit a question to them and they don't answer you, or they're unkind in their answer to you, that probably tells you something about whether you should going to that school in the first place.
So true. But in my experience, honestly, I've done a lot of webinars with a lot of admission officers. I know a lot of them, and they're very nice. They're very open, at least the ones I talk to. And they're really looking to help folks navigate the process. They want the best for you, and they want to do whatever they can to help you get into their school. And so I did a class yesterday with the Maryland Law School admission officer, University of Maryland, Cary Law. And he was saying that if you get rejected and you want to reapply, reach out to them and they will talk you through what they can do to help you get in, what you might need to change if you need to change your personal statement or retake the LSAT, what have you. They'll tell you what score you need sometimes. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.